Hello, you're welcome to Superstar TV. So guys, in this video you are going to be watching what happened just after the court sitting in the case between VeryDarkMan aka VDM and Blord. Guys, if you notice, since April, Blord and VeryDarkMan have had a lot of issues. We're gonna be seeing the gravity of what Blord have committed. And you remember, before VeryDarkMan will take up a case, he is always sure that he is on the right side. It seems the lawyer to Blord have educated him on the gravity of what he have committed. Blord and his lawyer, this lawyer is not just an ordinary lawyer. He is a senior advocate of Nigeria. That is a senior lawyer. He reportedly walked up to VDM after the court session, trying to joke with him and persuade him to drop the case. Look at it here. You're gonna be seeing how the senior advocate of Nigeria was pleading with VeryDarkMan. Even Blord brought out his hand to shake him, but VDM was not giving him an attention. It took the intervention of so many people pleading with VDM before VDM was able to shake him. According to VDM, he's not dropping the case very soon because of Sowore. And now this whole scenario have shifted because Sowore entered the case. You're gonna be watching how Sowore also takes side with the former Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, who he once criticized. One thing I've noticed over the years about Sowore is that he uses people's case to gain political influence. Yes, someone alleged that Sowore is playing politic. Yes, guys, what do you think about this whole process? The case between VDM and Blord would have been a thing of the past, but because Sowore tried to play politics and they take side with Blord, the case is no more going down. And the VDM is saying that he is going to show Sowore that he is a man, he is a rattle. Yes, watch the clip here. What do you think about this whole scenario? Drop it in the comments below. And also remember, the judge on the case also resigned. What made her to resign, we don't actually know at this point in time. Maybe because of political influence or pressure. Guys, the case is also scheduled to hold on the 19th of May, 2026. You know, Sowore also responded to VDM. All of this is what you are going to be seeing in this video. Watch it to the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Drop your comments in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Ordinarily, like I said, this case would have come to an end. But because of Sowore, I want to show you that I'm a man. No, yes. It's not even about him. It's a thing of pride now. It's not about him anymore. It's about showing Sowore that he cannot do anything. Yes. This civilian general. I want to show and say I'm in action. Like I said, it's not about it's about Sowore now, and I will show you. Yes.
So VeryDarkMan openly threatened you that he is ready to show you shaking, that he intentionally dealt with Blord because your effort into it. So what's your response to that?
You just heard about the threat against me in 2026. I told you guys my intervention in the case is to ensure that Blord's rights are not trampled and that he's granted bail and that the case is discontinued and that the lawyer has been directed as such. Everything I told you has come to pass. So what else are you looking for? The case, according to him, from what you are saying, he has met with Blord and resolved privately, right? Or openly. We have brought Blord out of prison. And as a result, he's no longer going to move for a bail application, which was slated for today. The judge has abandoned the case. What else do you want me to tell you? But as regarding the threats, I have said it before. I always offer myself as a scapegoat so that people will not suffer. Yes. So if I said this is by giving my full time on telling if I have to go down so that people don't get mad, I'm ready to go down. There's no big deal about it. So you want me to be trading words? So that's not my nature. It's not my character. I'm more interested in the police who is doing all this rubbish, who applies itself to cases that don't exist with public funds. It is police that brought us to this situation in the first place. So, hasn't Blord gone home?
It's home.
Haven't we discontinued this case by reconciliation?
Because it discontinued.
Hasn't the judge abandoned the case?
He abandoned and ran away. He ran away because...
Next question, please.
And you can greet him, but you're blocking me.
To be persecuted. When you did for Babangida Buhari that time, Sowore committed saying you system to deal with you now. Are you let una get cap with the man? Teachers all the time. Let's give now. The African child. No, we want to recruit you. Now what you want to say there is failure in the system. Well, the system is dealing with you now. No. I won't give you my cap. This is the revolution. I'm not taking your cap. I have my own cap. Okay. But at least I'm glad that you are strong. Yes. You see those days when I can never be down as far as Nigeria is concerned. When I come court, we are telling them and say this thing will end in disgrace. Yes. You see it. We are now all on the same side. Even your press was suppressing him now. Yes. Tomorrow they will still. But the table has its own way. Yes. But are you out of prison now? You go from home. But I know they see you for AGC anymore. They say maybe not talk. No. I have been attending. I am telling you. Okay. Only that I couldn't attend the Ibadan summit. But then when I have some other court matters that I have to attend to. Yeah, but I will keep attending. And I remain strong. And no, that's why I called you Nana. You want me to be part of the even now, even yourself. I will establish mine. As far as the Nigeria project is concerned, we have. That's why we're telling you when you were with Buhari, say this is our country. Yes, that no matter how powerful you people are, we will never succumb. We will be powerful. Yes, and we are resolute till tomorrow. Yeah. And I'm glad that you have gone through your own vicissitudes of life. Yes. The table keeps turning and we'll keep sitting by the table. At least your own table don't turn now, turn our side. We are together now.